Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today this is the look. It's the palette. This palette here in particular, the Emily Edit The Wants palette. So I decided to create a tutorial today. Usually it's a tutorial and review, but it's a normal eyeshadow palette. And there's nothing much to say other than it's very pigmented. They're all beautiful colours. You've got greens, purples, bronze colours. So you've got your neutrals, your colourfuls colours, and you've got like fall colours. And I love the greens. There's not many palettes of greens, and I do like a good green. So yeah, this is the palette. I bought this recently. This was £15. Other than that, I created most of all the eyeshadow and the shimmer here is this palette. The little shimmer at the bottom on the lower lash, as you will see in the video, is just a Rimmel sparkly colour. But everything else is pretty much this palette. So the purples, all the purples that I've done here on the eyelid, it's all from this palette. Very pigmented, obviously, affordable. But I mean, to be honest, this is a huge palette. Compared to all the other collab palettes, which are like £10 and a little bit smaller, this one's humongous. So in comparison to the Imagination palette, obviously this is a small compact palette compared to like a really big palette with loads of beautiful eyeshadows in it. This is my kind of palette. I love a good sturdy palette, something that you can just really dig your brush in and create what you want to create. I love a nice big palette like this. Yes, it's the first thing I want to grab, you know. This is the look I created. It's a purple cut crease and a soft purple lip together with this palette. And yeah, if you want to see how I created this, please continue watching, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Alright, so I'm going to start off by taking the colour Pie-Fi, I think it's called Pie-Fi, and I'm going to put that all over my eyelid. So this is my starting colour. Because it's a purple eye look, I was just going to put a crap ton of purple, some light purple all over the eyelid. I'm just building up the colour. Even though it looks a little bit darker, I am just building up the same colour to get it to the depth that I want it to be at. Then I'm going to use the colour Family, which is a darker purple. Now we're going to use this is important because we're going to put this basically in the socket, in the crease, because when we cut the crease, this is what's going to give us that definition and that cut crease look. So then I'm going to cut the crease with some concealer. I'm putting it above slightly where my eyelid folds in, so that when my eyes are open, you can see the cut crease. So as you can see, it's built a gradient, and now I'm just cutting that crease right there so that it looks pretty darn good and cut. Now setting the concealer with some translucent powder so it prevents it from creasing, because I like to set it before I put anything on it, like shimmers, which I'm going to do in a minute. But I'm going to take the same shade Family and I'm going to blend that on the outer corner and on the inner corner of my eyes, just basically on the ends of where I put the concealer, because it's kind of a, I would say, cut crease slash halo eye. It's pretty much a cut crease halo eye. So I'm blending those two colours inwards to create a really nice blend together look. Then I'm going to take the shimmer called Belle Violet or Belle Violet, however you want to call it. And I'm going to put this lilac shimmer on top of where I set the concealer. So basically that's where it is. The cut crease, this is what it is. That's where the shimmer is going, which is a lighter purple. Then again taking the shade Family, which is the darker purple, and I'm just blending it through so that I mix the shimmer and the matte powder together. And again taking that same colour Family, and I'm going to put that underneath my eyes to connect everything together so that everything looks, you know, like it matches. And then using the Clinique Black Cherry eyeliner, which literally I used the last little smidgen of that I had left. Then taking the Wonder Swipe eyeliner and eyeshadow in Slay, I'm going to put this on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to blend it out with my finger. Now once blending it out, it looks like an amazing glittery eyeshadow, and it looks phenomenal. Bloody love these things. And then taking the Goddess of Love highlighter and putting that on the inner corner and under the arch of my eyebrow, and I absolutely love watching things like this. It's so satisfying to see that pop of colour just brighten up the entire eye look. Like, look at that under arch, boy. And then the Sosu Dubai eyelashes, I fit those on off camera, just so you don't have to see it all. Then the L'Oreal X Fiber Waterproof Mascara on my lower lashes, just to pimp those girls out down there. And then the Gosh brown eyeliner, and I'm putting that right in there, tight lining it. Ooh. And so this is the final look using the Wants palette, and I created a really simple, really easy look. I just wanted to, you know, fluff myself up a bit, look a little bit cute. So yeah, this is it. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.